Business networking, registration of network, chapter, and member. Navigate to the Business Networking tab in the top menu. Click the Add Your Network button. Network name BNE2. Founding year 2024. Logo, upload the network logo. Location, enter Visakhapatnam, state and country autofill. Contact person, enter the name. Role, enter the role. Email, provide the official network email. Website and social media, enter the URL. Vision mission, type the authorization text. Click register. The network is successfully created. Register a chapter. Now, select I'm a chapter. Parent network, select the BNE network we just created. Chapter name XYZ. City Visakhapatnam. Meeting area Siripuram. Meeting mode offline. Status forming. Leadership, enter names for the chapter president, vice president, and secretary. Contact, enter the president's email and phone number. Vacancies, list open roles like graphic designer. Click register. The chapter is submitted for review. Register as a member. Finally, select I'm a member to join the chapter. Personal info, your name, email, and photo are required. Company, Mukesh Services. Designation, enter your role. Category, IT and Services. Select network, choose JCOM. Select chapter, choose the specific chapter, example, tester to authorization, check the box. Click submit. Your membership request is sent to the admin.